Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. You will see a very beautiful punch thread craft ideas. Punch thread work craft stands out for its unique ability to bridge the gap between traditional embroidery and modern textile art. Its expansive nature and the freedom it provides in terms of texture and form make it a favorite among artists looking to experiment with tactile surfaces. One of the most appealing aspects of punch needlework is its meditative quality. The repetitive motion of punching the needle through fabric provides a calming, rhythmic experience, making it not just a creative outlet but also a relaxing activity. This therapeutic effect has contributed to the craft's popularity, especially in recent times when slow, mindful hobbies are being embraced as a form of self care. In terms of materials, the thread or yarn used in punch needlework can vary greatly depending on the desired outcome. For fine, delicate work, embroidery floss or cotton thread is typically used. For more textured, bold designs, wool or acrylic yarns are ideal. This flexibility allows for a range of finishes from delicate and detailed to bold and highly dimensional. A key factor in achieving successful punch needle embroidery is the mastery of loop tension and consistency. Each loop formed by the needle must be even and secure. Too loose, and the loops may fall out; too tight, and the fabric may pucker or tear. This requires a steady hand and a good understanding of the tools and materials being used. Over time, skilled artisans develop a feel for the ideal rhythm and pressure. Another important consideration is the direction of the punch strokes. Just like painting or traditional embroidery, the direction and sequence in which areas are filled with loops can significantly affect the final appearance. Artists often plan their work carefully, outlining shapes and considering how colors and textures will transition across the design. So guys, I really hope that you will like all the designs that I shared with you. Please do it at home. Thanks for watching.